What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be real short. I'm going to show you a quick mod that anybody can do. It doesn't matter what your mechanical expertise is for your BMW. It doesn't matter if it's an F30. It doesn't matter if it's E90. So let me give you a quick bit of background here. The other day I was just out and I saw Rolls Royce, and I pointed out to my daughter that it has the floating hubcaps where the Rolls Royce logo always stays up. And in my head I was kind of like, hey, BMW owns Rolls Royce. I wonder if they make that for BMW. So I got online, had a quick look, and it turns out BMW makes them themselves. So this is an incredibly easy thing to do. You just pop your old ones out with a little pick tool, pop the new ones in, and they will stay floating while you drive. So it'd be cool if you get your wheels to do that, but I think the only way you can really do that is spinners, and yeah, I'm not quite about that life. So let's go ahead and pop these into the car and just get a quick couple drive-bys, see how it looks. As you can see here, I got the old ones out. These ones don't rotate. You can't really, yeah, maybe there you can kind of see I scratched that one trying to get it out by mistake. The rest are fine. It's not a big deal. I mean, they're not even on the car now. They're not gonna be. But all the ones that are in there look fantastic. Upright, and same on the other side. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.